Hey there, YouTube. Just want to share this my experience with this aftermarket Android car stereo. It took me a lot of time to figure out what's causing of like when I go to the backup reverse mode, I don't have a signal from my camera. I've been tested it with a different camera, backup camera from my other unit, and it still doesn't work. And this, I bought this from AliExpress, and there's no instruction, no installation guide, so you have to really find information everywhere, which is I'm kind of lost. I, I connected everything correctly. It's switching to the reverse mode, but it's just not getting a signal from the camera, and I can't find any solution from Google. They have like a different issue with a no signal, but it's different solution too. It's not exactly the problem that I'm having. So I want to show you if someone having the same problem. Hopefully this one will help. So when I go to the reverse, as you can see, there's no signal. That's the problem I'm having. And like I go to Android settings, car settings, and I didn't find any solution from there. And how I find it when I trying to push the connector, like all the connectors from the back, I'm just thinking that probably I didn't connect it properly. I accidentally hold the screen like this. There you go. And then the settings right there. Well, it doesn't exactly tell you that's the solution, because like what happened when you touch it, there's nothing. See, nothing. I touching the screen, nothing is going on. What you have to do is to touch and hold, and then it will appear. It just like, if you see it, it's just like, like brightness, contrast, whatever. uh, that's the only option it's giving you. But what you have to do is to touch this. The bottom here is a car icon. It's kind of blurred. Oh, that's a car. Yeah, that's a car icon with a backup camera symbol. So you touch that, and there you go. If you can see, HD back car standard. So you have to select your camera right there, because like not all the camera are all the same. Yeah, but when I install my other Android stereo and my Pathfinder, I have no problem like this. When I plug everything in, connect everything, it just like boom, works. But this one is like giving me headache. Like it took me like lots of searching in Google, and like removing my car stereo 3 times just to check all my connection are correct. Still not giving me an uh, it's not fixing the issue. And when I accidentally touch the screen, and then I look at the settings again, and I touch that car icon, and it's give me this. And then yeah, so you just have to select here, touch it one by one, and then wait until it detects still no signal. No signal. Make sure that you're in reverse mode. In reverse. Still no signal. That's not my camera. Still not. Too many different type of camera. There you go. See? Now I got a signal. So you press OK. Make sure you press OK so that it will save it. So that's the problem with the no signal issue with the backup camera with this aftermarket Android car stereo. Let's try again. There you go. I have a signal now. It's a nighttime right now, that's why it's dark. And like it comes with a cheap camera. It's not HD. I don't know what it is. Probably 720p. But it's not bad. In the daytime, I already tested it. It's bright. I mean, it's not. I mean, it's bright, but the resolution is kind of low. But it's better than nothing. Now, right now, I have to figure out how to turn off one of the grid lines. For sure, one of the grid lines is from my camera, and the other grid lines is from the stereo itself. So there you go. That's the real fix for this aftermarket Android car stereo with the reverse, backup, no signal. That's what you have to do. Touch the screen and hold it, and then press this car icon, and then select your proper camera right there, and then you press OK. Make sure to save it. If you don't press OK, it's just gonna go back from where it was. Okay, hopefully it will help the people out there who's having the same issue. Anyway, until next time, bye bye.